Camarines Sur National High School, Corps Commander and Staff, Cadet Colonel Enrique S. Adolfo, Corps Commander, Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Cian Arthur C. Casalia, Corps XO, Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Sean Ray E. Belga, Corps S1, Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Justin S. Rukid, Corps S2, Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Amy Choi Ulikino, Corps S3, Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Romeo Jesus P. Balani, Corps S4, Major Leader Micaela Ashley A. Benito, Band Leader Joseph Pitara, Company Commander Cadet Major Lawrence Angelito F. Cabase, Company XO Cadet Captain Raj S. Samudio, First Platoon Leader Boys Cadet First Lieutenant Justin R. Ostero, Second Platoon Leader Girls Cadet First Lieutenant Monica R. Cordial, CAT Pastor Radio, Jose F. Reyes, Advisor Coordinator Elvin M. Silvestre, Major Trainer Karen Training Adios, Hand Master Trainer Erwin Silvestre, MG number 38, Camarines Sur National High School, Naga City. Thank you. Entry number 38, Camarines Sur National High School, Naga City. Next entry.